In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub with Replit. If you've got a project on GitHub and you want to run it, edit it, or demo it right in your browser, Replit makes that quick and painless. We'll bring an existing repository into Replit, connect your account, pick the repo, and let Replit set up the environment for you. Start by heading to replit.com/import. You can type that directly in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your Replit account so your project can be saved to your workspace. On the import page, you'll see options for where your code is coming from. Choose GitHub as the source. And the first time you do this, Replit will prompt you to connect and authorize access to your GitHub account. This permission lets Replit list your repositories and pull the code into your workspace. If you're working with private repositories, grant access to those specific repos during authorization. You can always adjust or revoke permissions later from your GitHub settings. If you collaborate in an organization, ensure you have the right repo permissions before proceeding. Once connected, select the repository you want to import. You can import public or private repos. Pick the correct one, and if available, confirm the branch you want to use. It's best if the project's root folder contains the files needed to run the app, like your package file or main entry point. If you're working from a monorepo, keep in mind that Replit will import the whole repo. You can navigate to the specific subfolder after the import to run your app. After you choose the repository, continue to the setup. Replit will automatically analyze the project to detect the language and configure a runnable environment. You'll see it install dependencies and create a run command. When that's done, click run to start the project. Watch the console for build logs and any errors, and check the output pane for web apps or scripts that produce output. If Replit can't detect the framework or run command, you can adjust it. Look for the run button's command configuration or the .replit file to set the exact command your project needs. You can also open the shell to run manual install commands. If your app depends on environment variables, add them in the secrets manager rather than hard coding them so your keys stay private. That's it. You've imported your GitHub repository into Replit, connected it, and launched it in the browser. From here, you can edit files, run tests, and share your project link for quick collaboration or demos.